Happy St. Patrick's Day 2026. Happy to also share with you the latest version of our St. Patrick's Day theme train. This is an old 1130, so that's a plastic shell. Somebody had painted it some horrible colors, and the back was chipped a little bit on the cab, so I didn't have any qualms about painting it a bright Kelly green. This was one of the rescued shells for the tender. Needed a lot of patching. This was actually a Searchlight car. It was in pretty rough shape. We've made a little pot of gold to go on top. The gondola car was one we had from last year, and we were very pleased to bring that back out again this year. I think it's the only car left on the train that's the original color. Over here is our beer tanker. Coleman's is the local pub that we like going to, and we're celebrating them this year as the premium beer car of the 2026 St. Patrick's Day train. Our shamrock hopper filled with lights, and I guess those are shamrock garlands from the dollar store. And wouldn't be a theme train without a work caboose. We've got the king of the leprechauns here, bringing up the rear of the St. Patrick's Day train. And some additional friends cheering on the train. Sue really did a great job coming up with a rainbow. Missing the pot of gold, I guess that's the one traveling here in the back of the train. But anyway, that's this year's St. Patrick's Day train. Hope you enjoyed it.